kids, it's Miss Stacy here. Welcome back to my art table. Hello also to parents, grandparents, babysitters, older siblings. I say that because my students might need a little help with this. Today I'm going to teach you how to do accordion folds. It'll make a nice zigzag fold like this. Just draw some lines on the paper so that they're not folding with no guide. So I'm going to line up the ruler with the edge of the paper and just fill up the whole paper with lines. Now that you have lines over on both sides of your paper, you can start folding. The important part of an accordion fold is to flip your paper over between every single fold. Fold and flip. 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 Oh, look, this piece is not as wide as the rest. It's left over. That's okay. I'm still gonna fold it. And fold. So, there's my accordion folded paper. It's so much fun to do accordion folds. You can make these into all kinds of things. Pinch it at one end, fan out the other end. I say fan it out, that's a great way to say it because it's a fan. A fan is great to cool you down on these hot days as summer is coming up. But you can do so many more things with an accordion fold. Pinch it in the middle, fan out both sides. And it's a decoration like a bow. It can be a bow tie. It can be a hair bow. I took and folded it in half. You can see how I pinched it in the middle. What if I folded it at that pinch? That's folded in half. That's how I got these. What if I put all of these together? That would be a lot of folds, a lot of zigzags. And I thought, what are some of the things I could make with all of that? Let's see. Check it out, these are fun. I put a piece of tape in the middle there. What if I put another one right next to it? I could tape these two pieces together also. It's the same shape, just has twice as many folds. What if I, what if I extended it? Ooh, a full circle. What does that look like to you? Looks like a flower to me. It could be a lot of different things. I know what I'm gonna do next. Hey, do you remember my Barbie? I just call her Barbie. She doesn't have any other name besides Barbie. I thought these could be a tutu for Barbie. This is my first try at making Barbie a tutu, but it did not turn out like a tutu. The method I used was I punched a hole in each one of my fans and I threaded twist ties through it and I tied the fans to her body. I thought I could fan it out all around her waist and it would stick out like a tutu, but that's not how it looks like something, some kind of skirt, but it's not a tutu. So I'm gonna keep working. Let's see what happens next. Okay, for my next try at making Barbie a tutu, I want it to fan out like that around her waist. So, what if I take 2 of these and tape them together like that, but leave space for her waist in the middle there. Leave a hole in the middle for her waist. Maybe I'll do it with 3 or 4. Well, I'll tape them together and see how it seems to work. And see, do I need a 3rd piece? I think I need a 3rd piece. I probably don't need a 4th piece. All right, here. Hey kids, I added a 3rd piece. There's a hole big enough for her waist. Now I just have to tape it there. And that will be Barbie's tutu, and it's really looking like a tutu this time. This is working. She's gonna be ready to dance ballet. Oh yeah, it totally worked. Barbie has a tutu now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you can do some accordion folding. You can make all kinds of things out of it. And I hope that my struggle with making a Barbie tutu helped you realize when we build stuff or when we do stuff, we make mistakes all the time and we gotta try again. If we don't try again, we won't get to the fun part, which is when we succeed. Oh, she needs some music. I should put some ballet music to this. Okay, so here's Barbie dancing to a ballet tune on an accordion. Look at her go! Okay. Hey, room 3 kids, I will bring Barbie in her tutu to the dance party on Friday. We'll see you then. Bye.